The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maricopa County Sheriff's Department. A hostage situation is occurring at the Phoenix Children's Museum, the Children's Museum of Phoenix. Anyone within a 20-mile radius of the museum are encouraged to shelter in place immediately. Close all of your windows and doors and do not go outside. Do not approach the suspect unless unless you have a weapon. If you see any possible sightings of the suspect, please call 911 or the Sheriff's Department immediately. The shelter in place, always close your doors and windows, and if you have blinds on your window, please close them immediately. If you cannot go to shelter, go inside a building and make sure it does not have any windows. And as a precaution, never ever go outside until further notice. Repeating, do not go outside. A shelter-in-place warning will likely be needed for the shelter-in-place will likely be needed for the Phoenix metro area. Remember, do not go outside, shelter in place, and stay indoors until further notice. And do not go outside. Again, and also remember, do not go to nearby museums as well, which do not go to the museum, as we do not know if the suspect is attempting to leave the building and go to nearby museums or stores or homes. At this time, we do not know if the suspects will be leaving the house or the museum. And anybody that lives very, very close to the museum or the Arizona Science Museum, as well as a hostage situation is also going on over there, please do not go outside at this time. We also got this important information that a hostage situation is also occurring at the Arizona Science Center. So anybody who lives close to the Science Center, please shelter in place immediately. A shelter in place will likely be needed, and a civil danger warning or civil emergency message is possible that will be needed. Repeating, this is a local area emergency. Please do not go outside of your homes at this time. We also got this important information. A hostage situation, another one, is now occurring at the we got just important information about child abduction that has also occurred in the in nearby homes of the Phoenix Children's Museum of Phoenix and the Arizona Science Center. This is a very, very dangerous situation in which you should not get outside of your homes, stay indoors, listen to radio. Do not crank the volume up very high unless an EAS alert is issued. Once again, do not go outside even though you have a weapon. That would not work. Okay, repeating, a local area emergency is now in effect for 3 child abductions and 2 hostage situations, and we will continue to give you information. Repeating, a child abduction emergency is highly likely needed, and a civil danger warning is possible. Repeating, a local area emergency is now in effect for the following areas: the Phoenix metro area and the Southeast Valley of Phoenix. Please listen to No Weather Radio or go to television outlets for more information. Repeating, a local area emergency has been issued for the Phoenix metro area and the Southeast Valley.